My Whirlpool dishwasher model W10632077A goes through the different stages of the cleaning cycle, but the motor that sprays doesn't turn on, so the dishes don't get washed. Any advice?
Are there any error codes or blinking lights on your Whirlpool dishwasher? How old is it?
No codes. Washer is about 5 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
It just started about a week ago. I tried resetting the power and checking the latch.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, unless there is a way to run a diagnostic check and get an error code.
The site will give an additional option to speak by phone, which you can ignore if you want. I don't send this, the site will send this automatically. The number you have listed is a part number. Do you have a full model number located on a sticker around the front frame of the tub, not the door itself, and can be seen if you open the door so that I can better assist you?
Model #WDF530 page 7 serial #F42509654.
If the dishwasher still fills and drains, then you have a common problem with this model where the circulation pump has failed. This pump tends to fail often, I'm sorry to say, and it only affects water spraying around in the dishwasher since the drain pump is a separate pump. The pump will need to be replaced to fix the issue, and it's located under the tub, so below is a link to the part as well as a video on how to replace it. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Just what I was looking for, Tyler. You earned a solid 5.
Thank you and good luck. I'm sorry about the bad news, however.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.